Hello, I'm James from Polymaster, and today I'm going to run you through our range of pump stations and pump wells. So what we're looking at here is our 700 litre pump station. We also have these units available in a 1000 litre and a 1300 litre. So there's two versions of pumps available, a sewer pump, being that grinder or macerator pump for your sewer. We also have a stormwater or grey water pump option. The idea of these units is they're a complete package. So they're all pre-plumbed, they're all fitted out, ready to go. So it makes it nice and easy. So the first thing you'll notice with these units is it has a lot of ribbing down the side. They're designed so that the weight of the dirt sits on the top here and then locks into the ribs down the side, meaning you don't need concrete or anything else to tie it down in the ground. It won't pop out. It's fully self-anchoring. The next thing you'll notice is these large flat spots down the side of the units. They are in 4 different spots on the unit. The idea of that is it gives you a lot of options on where to put your inlet pipe. We also supply a 100mm rubber ring seal socket. That means you can simply drill a hole wherever you choose with a hole saw, pop the ring seal in and simply push your sewer pipe through for your inlet. All these units have the same lid. They are a 500 kilo rated lid. So if this is in the lawn or in the garden, and you do happen to run over it with the lawnmower, it's going to be fine, you're not going to fall through it. This unit itself is fully fitted out as a pump station. You can also buy these units as the bare pump well. So just purely this bare product or the pump well with the lid, meaning you can put your own pump in or you can fit it out yourself, whichever way you please. This one is fully fitted out as a pump station. What that means is it's all pre-plumbed with a pump, with a high level alarm, all connected up and ready to go. So if we just run through that, you've got a brass fitting in the side here for the outlet of the pump. Screwed into that fitting is a 40mm metric poly pipe connector. So what that means is all you need to do is simply run your pipe into this connector and away you go. If I take the lid off, I'll show you the pipe work inside. So the pipe comes through to a ball valve, meaning you can isolate the pump if necessary. Past the ball valve, we have a swing check valve. The idea of that is if you are pumping uphill, when that pump turns off, you're not going to get liquid flowing back into the pump well. Moving past the check valve, you have obviously an elbow and then a barrel union. What that barrel union is for is it gives you a very easy way to disconnect and remove the pump. Simply undo the barrel union and you can lift the pump up via the PVC pipe. So simply undo it, grab the PVC pipe and lift the pump out if you had to service it or if you just wanted to check it for whatever reason. So you'll also notice we have a high level alarm float switch all fitted up in here as well. So the idea of that is if you did have an issue with the pump or it wasn't working for whatever reason, the liquid level was rising inside the pump well, activates that float and sets off an audible and a visual alarm telling you have an issue. Also you'll notice the high level alarm is nicely mounted on this stand. It also gives you a great spot to mount your power supply, meaning your pump and your high level alarm can be connected up, ready to go. So all you need to do is simply get your electrician to run some power to the outdoor power point and you're good to go. So simply dig your hole, pop this unit in, run some power, connect your 40mm pipe to the outlet, backfill it, and you're good to go. So nice and simple, saving you time and money. So if you need any more information, please feel free to give us a call or jump on our website and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.